What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, and I've got an announcement for y'all. Um, I'm out here by the ocean, living life like I normally do. Aside when COVID kind of interrupted things, but it's a little noisy here, so let's get back in real quick so that you can hear better. So, what I want to talk about today is that I am going to be launching, starting immediately, a new course, free course on YouTube. So, based on your guys' responses and the feedback given, it seems that I think a lot of people would appreciate a course or even really a set of videos dedicated towards teaching you how to scale your existing Kindle publishing business. So, if you're brand new to publishing and you haven't done your first book yet, get your first book out soon, or really as soon as you can. But I'm going to be talking about immediately how to scale your business to six figures. We're going to call it scaling to six figures. So it's going to cover quite a few things. I'm going to tell you some of them. Number one, we're going to talk about the proper mindset, attitudes, and beliefs that you need to succeed in scaling. Now, if you know anything about me, I'm not a big mindset, if you believe it, you can achieve it guy, but you definitely need a set of attitudes and beliefs and some discipline, really, to be able to scale anything to a significant amount, because sacrifices do need to be made at times, short term, and it can be tough. It can be tough financially, it can be tough emotionally, mentally, and you need to have the right attitude in mind with the right set of expectations on how to grow this business. Number two, and I think a lot of people are going to love this, is look, at this point, I have a full blown publishing agency, publishing company built out. So I'm going to tell you and show you exactly what roles you need to fulfill in your publishing company. And I'm going to model it after how I do it. So it's not going to be some cookie cutter theoretical blueprint on how it needs to be done. I'm going to give you my model on every piece of staff that I have employed or that I have employed that you can have optionally. And I'm going to tell you what you need to have in place and a little bit on the basics of finding and hiring staff for your business. Along with that, I'm going to give you actual scaling strategies in terms of the actual, you could say, day-to-day operations. Although honestly, if at least you're nonfiction and low content, you won't be working on your business full time, or I should say, you won't be working in your business. You will be working on your business, but you won't be doing an 8-hour grind every day. Now, full disclosure, earlier this month, I actually did an 8-hour day, but that was just like uploading content. So, and that was just for the month. So I'm willing to sacrifice one 8-hour day so that I can be out here living my life and doing what I want. So that's pretty cool. I'm also going to talk about the daily, reallocation of funds and expenditures. You're running a business, and a large component of business is the arithmetic, the numbers, the financials, the balance sheet. And when you're scaling, let's be honest, you're going to be essentially reinvesting your profits so that you can reach a higher threshold on your revenue. So we're going to talk about that. And we can talk about a lot more, and I'll have a lot more lessons implemented and integrated. And honestly, guys, the lessons that are going to be featured are partially up to you. So let me know what you want to see in the course with regards to scaling. Any questions you have, address me now. Leave them in the comments, either on YouTube below or on Facebook. Let me know what you want to see or what you need addressed, and I'll get it done. And as it should be implied, this is free. Now, why am I doing this? Am I just some rich, handsome, financially free playboy? Well, yeah, I'm really cool. But the honest truth is, guys, I just want to grow my YouTube channel. I'm doing okay, But it would be really cool if I could grow my subscriber base, get some more views on my videos, and I just want to grow the Jacob Rothenberg brand as far as publishing goes. So that's my intent. I am literally bribing you guys with the content that you guys want to see. And in exchange, you're going to watch the videos. You're going to consume them. I get my hours watched, logged on YouTube. You get lessons that will hopefully benefit you and help you increase your revenue with publishing. So that's what I've got to say. I like keeping things to the point. I don't want to drag this out to a 45-minute presentation for now. Let me know what you want to see. I'll see you in the comments, and otherwise, I will see you soon. Take care.